name is Clara Sapoma Sabeng. I'm doing Diploma in Communication Studies. I aspire to become a PR practitioner someday. I joined this pageant because I want to explore my capabilities.
My name is Claudia Cranton, contestant number 3 and Diploma in Communication Studies. I joined this pageant because I believe I have what it takes. I'm eloquent, beautiful and very bold.
Hi, my name is Daphne Sela Daniel. I'm a first year student pursuing communication studies. I'm in this contest because I consider it a platform to test and project my skills as a communicator.
Hello, my name is Bridget Nina Isahaku, a first year Diploma in Communication Studies student. I joined this competition not solely because of the crown, but because I feel it's a challenge I have to face.
Hello, my name is Gloria Samoa. I'm a first year diploma student of this institute. I believe pageants are made to bring out the best in people. So I'm in this pageant so the best in me can be brought out and also use it as a platform to project the values of women.
Good day, Ghana. With capabilities as a middle name, the actual name is Sylvia Pearl German, contestant number 6 on this pageant. I believe this pageant is a platform for me to bring out my talent and therefore make myself known to the world.
Hello, I'm Josephine Araba Edu. I'm offering Diploma in Communication Studies. It has always been my dream and wish to be part of a beauty pageant. Miss Communicator offers me the platform to explore what I have inside.
Hello, lovely viewers. I'm Comforter Rabna Bilson, Diploma 1A Morning GIJ. I believe Miss Communicator is a platform to exhibit what I have got. And I also believe that it's not all about the crown, but also the challenge. The challenge to be able to support women in Ghana to fight against the disease cervical cancer.
Hello everybody, Lydia Atta is the name, contestant number 9, offering Diploma in Communication Studies. I joined this pageant because I want to use this platform to educate women in cervical cancer and also to make awareness to non-governmental organizations, health ministers to ensure that all women have access to this treatment.
You've seen all the girls. You should be there at the Kama Conference Center on May 14, 2010 at 7 p.m. It's going to be wicked. Come and let's participate and let's choose the ambassador to curb cervical cancer. I'm Afa Kanting, the Women's Commissioner of GIG. Thank you.